guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm back today with Jake Isham.
Hello.
We're gonna do a dreidel pour.
Oh yeah.
So obviously we just celebrated Hanukkah. It's over, but that doesn't mean we have to stop celebrating, I don't think.
Hey, 8 days is not enough. We need at least 10.
I agree. So, we did this last year. I don't entirely remember what we did, but that's okay. We're just going to do it newly. But we've got these dreidels that we're going to use to wreck our pour design. And we're going to be using these split cups with Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. And we're going to use a variety of blues. And
If you don't have your paints yet, you got to go get them. I'm the one who's shouting it out, so it's not a plug for her, but it's a plug. You know, I'm doing the plug.
Exactly.
MixedMediaGirl.com. But first of all, just look at these paints, you guys. Like, look at these metallics. These clean colors. I'm sorry. I'm a huge fan of these paints. I love getting to use them. And the split cups. It's just a Mixed Media Girl show today.
Yeah.
And I get to do all the plugging for her and
so
embarrass her.
Yep. And I'll make sure to put Jake's channel in the description so you guys can check that out as well. So we're going to go ahead and fill up our cups. We're using blues and silver. Various ones. So you don't need to fill up the cup the entire way. Just fill it up about, I'd say about 3/4 full.
Okay.
Should be good. And use the colors in whatever order you want. So we're using primary blue, fairy spit, white, deep sea, silver, and turquoise.
She's much faster at this than I am.
Oh, I'm not done. You're just hoarding colors over there.
I'm not trying to. The silver model. Oh, yeah, I will.
Be careful with this fairy spit. It is a crazy cell creator.
Okay.
Yeah, so is the silver.
Try to layer my colors well.
And then we're going to be doing a ribbon pour, and then we're going to attempt to dreidel through it. Now the paint's not like water.
I put way too much. Let's look all clean and pretty for you guys.
So it's not going to be the easiest to get the dreidel through, but that's okay. You ready?
That's what kind of makes it fun, though.
Yeah, I know. It's a challenge. All right, ready, Freddie?
Okay, right in the middle?
Yep.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
Oh yeah, I remember now. It's still fun. Oh yeah, I forgot about the splattering effect. Didn't you?
So much paint. My paint is so thick. Oh!
This is going to be a beautiful paper.
Oh yeah.
We should frame it.
We're selling the paper for $100 million. If anyone would like, bidding starts at $100 million.
Okay, now, concept. What if we had...
Oh, snap.
Right?
Legitimately selling this paper for $100 million. It's a big frame.
Yeah.
About, 5 feet by 3 feet.
So I'm ready to tilt here.
Yeah, I'm definitely am too.
I think
I have
this
so
is
much
awesome.
paint. Just
We'll have...
okay, are we just letting it go? Oh, we can make a design on the table.
Sure. We can all
Tell you.
I think I'm going to do some dips in this stuff
We're
later.
going to sell this paper for $100 million.
Jake's really excited about the paper.
Yeah, I'm all about the big canvas stuff. Marcy knows.
Yeah.
Marcy knows I go big or
Jake's like, these are
I
tiny
just stay at home.
canvases.
Yeah, I put way too much. See, guys, this is why you need to know the ratios of the amount of paint, because otherwise you sell your backgrounds for $100 million.
But it's okay because we can reuse all of this.
Oh, yeah.
So you can take another canvas, you can dip in it, you can take other things and dip in them, or you can just actually let it dry like this.
And sell it for $100 million. Come on!
Sell it for $100 million, exactly.
Look at that.
I know.
Oh, you
I
get
got
some
fun
cells
coming up, yeah.
I just like all the glitter, the sparkles.
So let's raise these up.
Yes.
I'll get you some thingies, and then we'll do a close-up. Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. One more, you guys. Nah. Shouldn't have done that.
Quit while you were ahead. I shouldn't have done it. Gonna do it again.
Just, I need to,
Jake.
I need to just got to enjoy life, you guys. Just enjoy it. Make the most of it. Figure out it.
Figure out it.
Figure out it.
Now, one of the most difficult things as an acrylic pourer is knowing when to walk away.
Yeah, I should have walked away like 20 minutes ago.
We'll teach Jake this skill.
Oh, no, there it is. There it's centered. It looks good.
Okay.
Bam! $100 million worth of art right there.
All right, I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here's mine. Got some killer cells in there. Yeah, look at that.
Look at that. Right there.
Yep, that's that fairy
spit. I think
spit.
you win this year. I think you liked mine last year.
I think I might.
I think I like yours better this year.
And here's
I put
Jake's.
way too much paint.
It's okay though. It's nice.
We got some cool layering though.
Yeah.
It feels like some cool layering, like doing here in these paints.
I like it. And then here is our beautiful table painting.
Full reveal later.
Right.
Bidding starts at $100 million, don't forget.
This actually
Not
almost looks
less.
like constellations.
Yeah. Has a little bit of that.
I think I see the Big Dipper in there.
Oh.
Somewhere.
If you see a constellation, let us know in the comments.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this and had as much fun as Jake and I have. Until next year. Happy
Shana
Hanukkah.
Tova and Shalom. And that's about all the Hebrew I know.
Okay, bye guys.